Enjoying yourself?
Oh yeah.
At least it's nice weather.
Yep. It's hot out.
Yeah, it could be a hurricane. It's a lot better than that.
Yep.
Thanks, man. Have a great day.
Thank you so much. Stay cool.
Oh, yeah.
Which floor?
One.
One.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Hot day out.
A little warm. I don't think anybody likes that noise.
What if we get stuck in here and then we overheat? Jojo!
Alright, everybody make room.
I've been stuck in an elevator before. I know how to handle it.
Oh, no,
I was actually stuck in between floors. It was only a 2-floor elevator though.
I'd be panicking.
Yeah. I was brave. I wish I got on video though.
Absolutely no braveness
Yeah.
about it. There'd be stuff all over the place.
Well, I mean, elevators are like the safest mode of transportation, in my opinion. Safer than
Up and down.
escalators. Have a nice day. Which one you going to? Which floor?
What do you want?